Okay, that's that. Battery is gonna go. I just know it's gonna go. Okay, come on, do me proud, do me proud. Okay. Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to change wiper blades on a VW Golf. This is a Mark 6. They should all be pretty similar, to be honest with you, but yeah, I'm going to show you how to do it on this. And the wipers that I've got are the flat wiper type, which just are personal preference, to be honest. The ones that are already on there are flat wipers. I think I put these on actually. It's been a very long time. And yeah, these are Bosch as well, like, or is it just the, in fact it could be just the holder thing that's Bosch. Anyway, so those are the old ones, here are the new ones. Quite nice Bosch logo on there actually, quite nice branding. Got to give Bosch a little bit of credit on that one. I actually fitted a Bosch bulb on this recently, so it looks like Bosch might have to sponsor us or something soon. The camera is very precariously positioned over there, so I think when I open and close this door, that camera is going to fall down. But let's see what happens. First thing you're going to want to do is stick the key in the ignition. I think just the electrics should do it. We'll see in a second. Let's get the electrics on and just knock the wiper stick down, and that should bring the wipers up into park mode. That lets you change them. So let's have a look at that right now. Wipers are down at the moment. Alright, just come over here, pop the key in, get it onto electrics. Okay, now when it's on this setting, if I just knock this once and just watch the wipers if you can, up and straight down, no good at all. Alright, however, if I knock it down a little bit, turn the key back, watch this, just there. Now watch. See that? Wipers staying there waiting for the job to be done. That's fine. That's how you want them. Okay. So look at how the key is. It's slightly slanted, and I can't take the key out there. I've got to turn it to that position to get the key out. Alright, see that again? Let's pull the electrics on. If I do that, it'll go down again. See you later. Okay. Turn the key back a little bit, just there. Give that wiper stick there a knock. Ready to have the job done. Both wipers up and ready. Okay, that's how to get it into park mode, as they say. I suppose the electrics are on. It's not what I want, to be honest. In fact, let me just see if I can take the key out. I will do. Don't want any power draining while I'm doing this, so keys out now. Okay, so get the first wiper and measure it against what it's going to go on to. Full transparency, the ones that we've got here are a little bit longer than the ones that are already on. Probably will cause an issue, but I will live. And the small one is smaller than what's already fitted. Fantastic. Okay. Right, so get the first one up, okay, and there's a little square like button thing over here. Just see, there's a little square button. Here's the little give that a press. Square thing that you've got to have a look at. Alright, give that a good press. It can be a bit tricky. Press it and push up, and as you push up you'll see, that's it after that. It's coming out. Alright, it'll be the same for the other wiper. Okay, putting the new wipers on. It's going to be the reverse of that. So there you go. Eventually, just gonna push it just against the fitting, really. Just give it a good wiggle. You'll know when it's in, because when you get to about this point where it's not in yet, it's about a centimetre out still, it's already quite firm. All you've got to do is push it down and it clicks into place. Okay, so that's your new wiper in. Okay, you want to get your wipers back down again. Just put the key back in. Okay, pop it onto the electrics, just give the wiper stick just one knock down, and down they go. See you later. Okay, take the key back out. And let's now move on to the rear wiper. So with the rear wiper, it's basically the same story. All you've got to do is press this square shape on it here, give it a good press, and then pull it up, and out it comes. Putting it back in, same as the other one. Just make sure it's well pressed against the back, the setting, the actual fitting itself, and then once it's in, push it down, you're sorted. Okay, so that's this video done. Please do subscribe, hit like, hit share. I try to make my videos as useful as possible. So more useful videos coming up. Please do subscribe. I need loads of subscribers, as many as possible. So thanks for watching. Hope this video has helped. I think it will have helped, especially with getting the wipers up into that park mode, because that's quite awkward. So remember, switch it into the electrics. So first, like, notch when you turn it on, and then go back a little bit, and then that's where you're on the setting, which is like park mode, let's call it. Just knock the wiper stick, wipers will come up, you can start working on them. Okay, so again, thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.